pistons.
You're just jealous, James.
You shouldn't have collected, Mr. Conductor. I should have.
James is right, little Thomas. Collecting, Mr. Conductor, is an important job. Important is big, and we are big engines. You are small. So we should have picked him up.
Bossy sprockets.
Stop squabbling, all of you. What's important is to stand up on our own wheels to Diesel.
I think Diesel believes in the legend of the lost engine.
What legend?
Of an engine more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to destroy her.
Then we'd better find her first. Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.